Hey guys, Zip 2001 from Just Ride. It is Suffering Sunday, and we came out to my winter playground. But this is where I spend most of my time riding in the winter. We had the giant Yukon 1 out here. This is Lake Denison in Winchton, Massachusetts. And once we get enough snow, the snowmobiles will pack trails down. If we get a lot of snow, they'll have the groomers out there making a nice wide highway. Oh man. Great area to ride. I just ran into Roger. It's good to see you, Roger. It's been a while. But we were just talking about the reason why we come out here, because not too many people come out here. It is, you know, you don't get drops and all this stuff. Not a lot of single track anymore, because they've done a lot of deforesting over the last 5-6 years. But it still is a fun place to come. And like I said, not many people come, so we get to enjoy it. Man. I can't wait till this thing is frozen. I love rolling across a frozen lake. especially, excuse me, especially when there's ice fishermen. You go and visit them, they look at you like some kind of nut riding a bike on a frozen lake. Like I think they're nuts fishing on a frozen lake. Come on. Woo! Let's go, Winter. Yeah, baby. Woo! Hey, come join me for a ride. Remember, stay safe and just ride. Woo!
The sheltering shade of the forest, calming silence, accompanied only by the full moon, the howling of a night wolf, and the path under my bare feet, the elven path.
Looking, I can see it looks like another track right there. Track off to my left. Excuse me.
Where
going? Good, man. Wow.
Some tears back, but we got a whole song with it.
Yeah, you want to hear a song? It's coming.